I hope everyone is fine and I pray for you and your families. Today I'm going to talk about automobile industry of Pakistan and what I have read and I would like to share with you also, and I hope this video will be feedback for them who are connected with this industry in our country or outside. But I would like to give you a very smart point of view what I have read. The title of my video is about the, you can see it's about zero sale in month of April 2020. No car sold in Pakistan in a month in a history of Pakistan. So in detail, when I read this, I saw the Pakistan Automotive Manufacturers Association (PAMA) published that in month of April there is zero production and zero sales, and this is in auto history of entire month, and situations look same for the May also. This is very alarming situation. I would like to share with the government, with the officials, with the people who are listening me. This industry is a very huge industry of any country. I will not going to compare my country with other countries, but I will tell in Japan, the world, it is in top world industries in Japan. Japanese vehicles are liked worldwide. Why they are liked, I have explained in my videos. I told about the features, about the price, about the features, about the specifications, why they are liked. I will not be going to compare in this video, but I will just tell you about the figure. You can see Park Suzuki April 2020 zero sale, Toyota 0, Honda 0, total 0. This is the report of April month and 2020. And if we see in past April 2019, Park Suzuki sold 10,789, Toyota 5,738, Honda 2,836 units, total sold 19,363. Also, I have seen a point in this report that sale is not only the booking, or when you have paid some partial payment, you have paid some payment, and this is called sale. So this is called sale. No, sale is a very technical word, and this is this completes when your car or your product is delivered and 100% payment has received. This is called a sale. This is very horrible situation. If our government should take such reactions, should give the relief to the manufacturers. And from last 2 years prices are rising, and they have now at the peak. And honestly speaking to you, I am also connected with this industry, and I have seen if before 2 years we were getting a 660cc imported car. I'm just sharing you an imported car, and even Mehran, Suzuki Mehran local car. Before 2 years it was easily affordable. And Mehran prices were also very low. But now if we see local car prices, as we are discussing about local vehicles and our local industry, so we see prices are very high. And this is because if we see manufacturers say that they are getting they are paying duties higher when they are going to import some parts or some kind of material from other countries. They pay high duties and high taxes to the government. So definitely when they will pay high duties and high taxes, they will ask for the high price from the customer. They will expect high price. So affordability is very difficult now for a person to buy a new car in Pakistan nowadays. This industry is a very big industry, and a large number of people, our population is connected with this, and families are connected with this. Government should take necessary action and should look on this industry also, should help this industry also, like other industries they are doing. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and leave me a comment and comment box. I will try to reply immediately. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.